John was an expatriate Canadian living abroad, and he had recently begun to receive rental income from his property back home in Canada. As he was a non-resident of Canada, he was required to file a non-resident rental income tax return, commonly referred to as an NR4. John was a bit confused about the filing requirements, as he had never had to file a non-resident rental income tax return before. He was especially unsure about what NR4 was and why it was required. John decided to do some research to get a better understanding of NR4 and the filing requirements. He soon found out that NR4 is a form that is used to report rental income earned by non-residents of Canada. It is required by the Canadian Revenue Agency, under Section 216 of the Income Tax Act, for all non-residents who receive rental income from a Canadian property. John was relieved to have a better understanding of the filing requirements for NR4. He was now confident he could accurately file his non-resident rental income tax return and ensure that he was in compliance with the Canadian Revenue Agency. Visit our website or call us for any questions.